Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, and if you want to join the Plaqueboy Discord server, then this video is for you. If you can't actually join through the Discord server, then you can do is open your web browser and simply search for Plaqueboymax Discord server, and it will show you the selection of the Discord server that is 5-star. This is actually the official Plaqueboymax server, where you can simply click on it and it will immediately redirect you to the Discord window. Make sure that you are logged into your Discord account through this web browser. Simply click on accept invite, or you have to go through the captcha probably if it shows, so you can just add it like here and simply click on verify, and you have to wait until it accepts the invite here. So accept invite again, and it's again showing me the, so make sure that you have invite link, the legal invite link, or if they have, you can see, oops, unable to accept invite. So that's when probably Plaqueboymax has just turn the limitation of the members, or turn off the any member joining for their server, or there is overload member right now on their server. That's why it not actually available to accept the invite. So you have to wait until they actually manage the space and you can get into their server. So you have to wait until they just clear the limitation, and you will be able to join their Plaqueboymax server, the official server. So that's the whole thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.